Hi, so today I'm going to try explaining what I recently did to improve my knowledge to serve the purpose of my project. And my project is to create a website, an application to communicate about Lingwa De Planeta, how this constructed language works, and how could we get any information about the vocabulary of the language. So of course I was thinking about a dictionary, a real-time dictionary, but for all these things it's really important to me to have a pretty strong and reliable structure. Of course, a lot of things are required before starting working on this project. In my last video I was talking about Svelte. That is a JavaScript framework to facilitate the creation of any website or application. But the fact is, I noticed that I don't have enough knowledge in JavaScript, so enough strong foundations to really be able to work on this project. So I restart my learning of some fundamentals of JavaScript. I'm not sure about the term. So firstly, I learned excuse me, I just need to think about the way I have to express that. So asynchronous JavaScript, yes. So I learned that. It's really interesting. After that, I learned NodeJS. At the same time, I learned a lot of other things, like the MVC model to properly work on any project. I learned how to use wait a second, MongoDB, that is a database system to store some data. So a lot of things like that. And I also need to learn how to create an authentication system to securize, to make my application secured. So I really apologize if my English is not good enough. I just hope to be clear enough explaining my things. So what I plan to do after that is to learn or to relearn object-oriented JavaScript to just reinforce my knowledge, because it's important to really well structure my project to know that. And after that, I will try to learn, relearn, and really reinforce all the things I need to create this website, this application for the Lingwa De Planeta project, mine. So it's enough for today. You can say to me what you think about that, your opinion, your feeling in the comment part, and I will share to you my progression little by little, you know. So see ya, or maybe not see ya, not right now. I just want to show you at least what about what I worked. My English is terrible today. So you know what you're seeing on my screen is the code I was working on. I really like this syntax, so it's liquid. I know that there is EGS, but I don't like this other syntax. I prefer this one. So I set all the things to be able to use it. You can see other pages like an Ajax request, the structure of an MVC project, so views, models, controllers, etc. Really efficient, really pleasant. It's a perfect way to structure a project to make things readable. You have the roots just here. You have the controllers here, etc., etc., and the result is something like, excuse me, it's not here, but here. You have a pretty simple application, a blog system. You know, so you have French paragraphs. You know, you can add another one. You click on it, you can suppress it, etc. So it's pretty simple, but the thing is that what I'm targeting, I would say, is to have all the tools I need to start the project I hope I will be working on. So it's all. See you later. And to me, in a few minutes, I will start this new tutorial about object-oriented JavaScript, thanks to this incredible YouTuber, the Net Ninja. See ya!